In this video, I will show you how to print your Microsoft Excel worksheet. So to print your Excel worksheet, click on File, and here the option Print. Here you can enter the number of copies. Select your printer from here. Print active sheets. So you can leave as default. And also guys, if you have more pages than one, so you can enter the particular numbers of pages. Like you want to print only 5 to 10 pages. So type here 5 and number 10 in the second one. You can collect from 1 to 3 like this. You can collect 1, 1, 1. So you can print like first page will print 5 times, then it will start to print second number of page 5 times. Print orientation like portrait or landscape. See the changes from here in this preview. You can set paper size like A4. Set margins like wide or normal. Fit all columns on one page or fit sheet on one page. So this is the complete sheet on one page. And also you can select here this fit all columns on one page. And there are some more options like fit all rows one page like this. So this way you can print your Excel worksheet. Thanks for watching.